Microsoft Edge gives you a little tool that allows you to capture different areas of the contents within the browser. To activate it, just go up here to the top and click on the little scissor icon, and you'll see that you have some options up here. Now, if we click on the far right of these three options, it's Copy Full Page. So we go there, and you'll see that it's opened up a separate annotation window that has copied the entire browser page, no matter how long it is. Now, once it's put it into this buffer on this page, or this app, you can go in there and annotate it by clicking on the draw, selecting the size and color of your annotation. And it's simply a matter of just going around and drawing on the surface. And once you're done with your annotation, you just come up to the top corner, click on Save, choose where you want to save it at, and you simply save the file there for later use. And then if I go to my File Explorer, I can bring it back up, drop it here, and there's the entire page with or without editing. Now, the next two options are a little confusing. They have two different ones, Capture Area and Capture Screen Area. We're going to do the Capture Screen Area. And what this does, it brings up a little highlight box. You simply click and drag it there. You cannot scroll down and get more information down here. You can only get a visible area that's available to you. Then once you have that area and release it, you'll see some icons down here at the bottom to do other editing. Not just draw like the other ones, but you can do a whole bunch of different editings down here. The first option I'm going to address doesn't have anything to do with editing. The checkbox simply says, put it in the clipboard. And once you click on that, it says add to clipboard. And sure enough, if you come over here and examine your system's clipboard, you'll see that you have the image saved there. Now, before I get into the actual editing, the custom markup, I'm going to click on the other one, which is Capture Area. If you watch this, now I can scroll down and get other sections of the screen that are down below. So if I simply take this and highlight the area that I want, and when I'm done, I simply release it. So I'm going to get it with this second section down here and click. What's important to notice is this area up here on this particular page has an area that scrolls, so other data gets hidden behind. You don't want to do that. So scroll back down until you have what you want to have, and then you can go ahead and click on the save there. Again, what's important to note is that area down there below your visual screen is still highlighted, and it will save that area even though you can't see it. Again, what's important on this mode is that you can edit it with the basic drawing of highlighting certain areas with a size and color of your annotation. And if we go back to do this over again so you can see, I'm going to go ahead and do the same capture where I drag it over it and highlight down below. And once I have that, you'll see that I have the editing tools again. But down below, you'll see the copy, save, and the other options. So we're going to go ahead and do the save here. And then that'll open up your save, and you can go ahead and do that to wherever you want. Now it's a little out of order, but I'm going to go back to the second option of capturing so you can use the advanced markup tools. So if we go here, and we can only do it on what's viewable, but here's the item here. If you notice down here, you can put squares out there, circles, all sorts of things. So we can choose the colors for each one. So let's say we wanted to do that. We wanted to go ahead and grab a square and set the color and then the size of it. And then we just simply drag over the part of the screen where we want that square to apply. Now you can do this as often as you wish as far as changing different things, marking it up, backing up again maybe, and erasing those, putting arrows in, you name it. Any one of these tools down here you can use. But it's very important to note that you can back these up by doing the undo key, but you cannot select them individually and erase some and leave some. It has to be sequential. So be aware of that. And once you have that annotated, it's another little quirk here. You'll see that the save function is really a download arrow here at the bottom. You simply go over to, after you're done, click on that, and you save it wherever you want. So again, by clicking on the little save button here at the top of your browser, You can go ahead and do all sorts of things, capture different areas, make some annotations, whatever you need to do for that particular time. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you want more, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The links are in the description of this video.